Hi everybody, this is a Tigo 4 Pro. This car is valued at around 23,000 Aussie, about 17,000 US dollars, and this is what you get. Have a quick little look. This is just a meta view, just to give you guys a basic idea of what this car looks like. There's your boot space, not too bad. You can see right through the car, nice door. As you can see, there's your entrance and leather interior. So there you got some USB ports again and some cup holders. You can put your phone in there, no charger. It also comes with a sunroof. It's not really a big sunroof, but probably a little gazing roof I'd call it. But there you go, and it does open fully as well, electrically operated. That's quite nice as well. And the other nice feature with this car is you don't need to lock it, because as you walk away from it, it'll automatically lock itself. And it opens as well when you get close to it. Some more nice features on the car. It comes with 60 view camera, so you can actually look at what's going on at the back. You can actually see how nice the screen is. Look at that. There's the car next to me, and that just gives you an idea. If you want to have a look again, that just gives you all the buttons and just shows you that you can see everything as well. That's your 360 camera. See on the car, you've got the aircon as well, dual climate control. So you can actually sync it and change it to what you want. The nice thing with that is how big the buttons and everything are. The fan on this car is really good as well. You can also adjust it onto your actual screen and see what's going on as well, which is quite nice. That's a nice handy feature as well. The car has lane assist as well, and the lane assist is it keeps pulling you in. If you just slightly go over the lines, it really keeps you on track. You get a fright every now and again because it's quite vicious at pulling. You'll feel it immediately as soon as you go over the line or you're doing something it doesn't like. This is the adaptive cruise control on the Tigo 4 Pro. You can see the screen. You can see the cars in front of you. As soon as you don't look at the screen, it'll tell you. The built-in safety feature, which is a little camera over here, just tells you immediately when you're distracted and you're not actually paying attention to the road. So it's always keeping you that your eyes are on the road. That's one of the built-in safety features of this car.